What's up, guys? Good evening. This is Captain E3A for Wednesday, February the 1st, 2017. Can you believe it? Super Bowl Sunday, this Sunday. Anyway, coming to you from the airport lounge right now, and I have a brand new aircraft review. American Airlines Boeing 777-223ER in the One World livery in the scale 1/200 by skymarks. This beautiful aircraft was painted in the One World livery in 2013, but this livery is no more today. Now I'm going to give you a tour of the aircraft, begin with the stack ports, PO tubes, the cockpit windshield, and windshield wipers. Come on, the L1 door, there you see the One World, well, a member of One World, American Airlines, the two General Electric GE90s. Come on the wings of the 777. Very nice shot. Coming down towards the tail. And the American Airlines livery, which this livery right here is no more. The APU, the auxiliary power unit, the tailplanes. Now on to the port and starboard side of the aircraft. The American Airlines livery. Come up on the tail section, up towards the starboard side. Very nicely detailed by skymarks. A member of One World, American Airlines, and the One World title. Alright, that's it for this video. This video will shortly be posted to YouTube. So anyway, I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And by the way, who you rooting for in the Super Bowl this Sunday? Green Bay or Atlanta? The pregame is on at 1 o'clock on Fox 5 Sunday afternoon, and the kickoff is at 8 o'clock Sunday night. So check it out. And I would just like to say thank you very much for watching this video. And like always, like, comment, subscribe. Until next time, from the airport lounge, this is Captain E3E, signing off for now.